Hello friends. Welcome to the Lab Monk YouTube channel. Let's start today's topic. How to become a genetic counselor. Genetic counselors are the experts who are assisting patients in understanding how genetics can impact their health. Genetic counseling offers information to people having the risk of developing any disorders inherited through genes. People with a family history of a genetic disorder, or having a child with some congenital disability, and also women suffering from various miscarriages are among those who will benefit the most from genetic counseling. Genetic counseling offers to back to people with some positive diagnoses. As we know, genes are the building blocks of the hereditary system and are passed from one generation to another, from parents to child. DNA that is present in the genes contains all instructions for the manufacture of proteins at the cell level. In some cases, a mutation alters the DNA, and because of this, proteins do not function as expected, thereby leading to a genetic disorder. A mutation in a gene that causes congenital disease might get inherited from one or both the parents. What does a genetic counselor do? Genetics is a branch of science that involves the study of the human genome. Genetic counselors are those genetic experts who utilize cutting-edge knowledge of genetics for prediction, assessing, and analyzing the risk of disease among families, individuals, and populations. They mainly deal directly with the patients to update clients about all potential risks and advantages inherent in their genetics, especially in those cases where couples are trying to have children together. Typically, a genetic counselor's job and responsibilities vary based on their specific positions. While some of them work in laboratories carrying out hands-on genetic work, others depend on the genetic result of other scientists to aggregate and analyze the information for the benefit of clients. Let's have a look at the complete breakdown of their responsibilities. Supports to the patient. The primary responsibility of a genetic counselor is to offer support to patients. In each session, a genetic counselor always asks questions to patients to know about the family medical history. Genetic testing. Genetic testing helps discover several things that will need patients to make complex and emotional decisions. And research. A genetic counselor also participates in various scientific and psychological studies. Is genetic counseling a promising career in India? With an increasing number of genetic disorders among the population of India, genetic counseling is undoubtedly a lucrative career in India. The primary thing is you will make a massive difference in people's lives by assisting them through genetics-based decisions. A genetic counselor will get some of the excellent prospects in general and specialty hospitals, physicians' offices, diagnostic labs, genome facilities, and outpatient care centers. What qualifications do you need to be a genetic counselor? To be a genetic counselor, you need undergraduate degree in science, mainly biology, Master of Science in genetic counseling. What education is needed to be a genetic counselor? A genetic counselor education starts with a bachelor's degree, and life science is preferable. There are various bachelor's degree programs provided as Bachelor of Science in Genetics available, and some of them are available in combination with other subjects, like genetics and genomics, or genetics and biotechnology. There are many other bachelor's degree programs in the biology sector that involve several topics in genetics. Master's degree is the minimum eligibility for genetic counselors. Mostly MS in genetic counseling program is 2 years and includes clinical internship and other such fieldwork experiences. All these programs mainly involve thesis or some of the capstone experiences that covers topics such as genetic testing, clinical genetics, cancer genetics, prenatal genetics, and ethics in genetics. To become a certified genetic counselor, you have to pass the required exam after your master's program. Certification is mainly required for an employment license. In addition to their degree, there are a few skills that will benefit genetic counselors in their careers. Those are good communication skill, proper understanding of medical ethics, ability to integrate clients' requirements and preferences into the treatment plans, high compassion and patience. There are only some genetic counseling training programs in India. Some of those institutions are highlighted here. Institutes like Kamineni Hospitals and Manipal Hospital are offering certificate courses. Vellore Institute of Technology offers an MSc in Biomedical Genetics with genetic counseling. The National Biomedical Genetics, West Bengal, and Maharashtra Institute of Health Sciences, Pune, offers a full-time genetic counseling program. While thinking about the courses, that one question always comes to our mind, and that is, how much do genetic counselors make in India and abroad? The career of a genetic counselor is highly flourishing in the health sector. Now, coming to the salary of a genetic counselor, the gross salary in India is approximately 5 to 6 lakhs. An entry-level genetic counselor earns 4 to 5 lakhs and a senior-level genetic counselor earns an average salary of 7 to 8 lakhs. A genetic counselor is recruited in university medical centers, physician offices, advocacy organizations, governmental agencies, and biotechnology companies. Similarly, in the United States, a genetic counselor earns an annual salary of approximately $74,000 or more. Those genetic counselors working in some of the general hospitals and physician offices make $72,000 approximately. The highest paid genetic counselor earns approx $90 to $91K from medical diagnostics labs. We have tried to cover almost every questions on this topic, so that if you're planning to choose this course, then you must have clarity of this subject. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment if you have any questions. Please like this video, share to your friends, and subscribe.